how to create the new levels in Unreal Engine 5. And here I will right click, and you can see just have the fab, and we make sure we enter the contents folder. And now I will right click and select level, and I will change this name, maybe 1, and I will enter it, and I say select, and yeah, you can see this default level is nothing here. And the next, I can click window and select this one. We click it, and yeah, we can select all of them. We have some setting here, and the second way, I will select here and click new level. And yeah, you can see here have the 4 different levels, and I will select this space. And yeah, we have the base level. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.